Hello everyone, welcome back to SaaS-Based Pro. In this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT showing annoying error messages. Well, ChatGPT can sometimes show you annoying error messages or doesn't work in general at all. So you can go through a couple of steps to fix these issues. In order to do that, first of all, you can go to the settings option here, and in the settings you will find a privacy and security option in the left panel. If you click on privacy and security, you will find another option called delete browsing data under privacy and security. If you click on it, you would see some options here. Let's click on show more and just uncheck all these things except the cookies and other site data and cache images and files. So we are going to clean the cache memory that is stored in our browser now. So make sure that you have select all time from here and just click on delete. So after a few moments, you can see that it was successfully deleted and your ChatGPT should work perfectly fine. If this still shows you the error message, then what you can do is you can again click on this three dot and then find the extension there, and under the extension click on manage extension. Here you will see all the extensions that are currently installed in your browser. Now what you are going to do is you are going to simply remove this extension. For that, you can just toggle this button right here, and in this way just remove all the extension from here. Okay, so since we have removed all the extension, your ChatGPT should now work perfectly fine. But if it still shows you the annoying error, then what you can do is you can use ChatGPT in incognito mode. So for that, you can again click on these three dots, and in here you can see an option called new incognito window. If you click on new incognito window, then a new incognito window will appear and you can just use ChatGPT here, and you might need to log in once again to your account, but using this way will fix all your issues. And finally, if it's still in some error phase, then all you can do is disconnect all your VPNs if you have any VPNs connected to your PC. So in this way you can fix any sort of error in ChatGPT and use ChatGPT perfectly fine. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.